Hey there, YouTube. Just gotta be careful when coming down the steps. I just pet my dog outside. Hey, Mama, say hi to YouTube. Isn't he a good boy? Son, you sit down. Who is a good boy? Who likes a good scratchy? Is he a good boy? I think he is. Although he has something on his nose. Yeah, I'm still pretty ticked off about the car. When the thief took it, well, there's a couple of factors. The thief took it for a joyride, going off-roading, or semi-off-roading, way out there in the boonies. There's a place called Cheyenne Bottoms, where you can watch wildlife alongside the roads. It kind of knocked that loose. Me and my mom, which I shared a car with, when we went back home from shopping, well, someone drag raced us, and you don't take her off, because she will show you how people drive from the East Coast. She hit the gas, we thought we hit something, we just didn't think any more of it. When we came down here on Car Road and turned on to one of the streets, that's when we knew something was wrong. When we got home, we found out it was a exhaust pipe, and when I went to start the car to see if something else was wrong, like the oil pressure, I may have knocked it completely out. I may have done the final blow. Quite literally. Also, my new bike, I told you it was an eyesore, but the frame is all good. The only things wrong with it is it has a wooden seat. I can replace that, and I could put new tires on it. Also, it's antique. Looks like one. Although the brakes need to be fixed. Kind of seized up. That's about it. Hang on, YouTube. Two little pretty cats. Oh, there's Poo Poo Senior, the father of Wobbles. Oh, jeez, people littering everywhere. Yeah. What you two doing? Yeah, my dad's in a scrappy business, and he repairs stuff. He makes money. Just gotta pick this one of the bells, because I'm in the serious scrap too. Hey, I can make money. What's wrong? That's one of Dad's cats. He doesn't sound which way he has a white nose. Meow. I leave him be. Oh, there's a Duster. I think he's the one that got Daisy knocked up. You know, pregnant. There's Spooky. Spooky! Meow! Meow meow! Come on! Meow meow! Meow meow! See, he's coming to me. Meow! Meow! Come on, Spooky! I'll name him all the Spooks' names. Spooky, Spooks, Spookenstein. or a spook. This is my cat. Who's a good pretty cat? Now who's a good pretty cat? Yeah, there's not more. It can start, but I'm still working out the kinks. I don't know if it's antique. If it is, I'm a lucky dude. Garden tractor 6 speed. Why I gotta get going, YouTube? Oh, wait. We have a few lawnmowers that may need a few. Well, this one needs to be fixed. The only one that works basically is this one, plus a weed eater I got for my dad. Brand new. It's just it can't even start it. It won't even pull back. That one, that Remington. I like to restore all these. I mean, it's what I do. I like old stuff. Maybe the new stuff too, but not the too advanced, high-tech stuff. I don't want to cuss. I know I did a few times. Yeah, this one is stuck in the ground. I'm still ticked off at some of my misfortunes, and that's misfortunes. I better get going, YouTube. Bye.